Hey guys, it's me Elegant, and today I'm going to be making some glitter slime with some glitter. And with the special guest is back. Up here. Emily! Okay, so let's get started. We're going to be making some clear glue slime with some glitters.
That was not
Here,
planned
come over
out.
here.
That was not planned out.
Come over here. Hi there. No, wait. No, let's scoot apart from each other. Because we need to be able to see the glitters. I don't know how to get the glitters in. Let's move this. Now you can see the glitters and the bowl and the glue. Okay,
I'm just gonna.
be right there. So
I fit
first,
perfectly in her shoulder.
we're going to be pouring some glue, and wow, this comes out fast.
Yeah, that came out fast.
That came out very fast.
Now we add the glitter.
9. No.
Activator.
No.
What do we add next?
No. No.
What would we add? What are we adding next?
Some hair gel.
Oh.
I just don't know where my water went. I just farted.
It squirted all over
I don't
me.
know where my water went. I just farted.
It squirted all over
I don't
me.
know where my water went.
There's water right there.
Okay. You can be like that.
I go. All right, let's go.
Where's the mixing tool?
We haven't thought this up. Yeah,
I will be using a spoon. This
like
spoon
we usually do.
This spoon has not been used, if you're wondering.
It's simple now. It's very clear. You can't see anything.
It looks like there's nothing in it.
It's very clear. Stop. Stop. You're no kid. A baby goat. That's a sheep, but still.
Okay.
Start mixing.
I
Come on,
did
try,
mix
try.
it. I did mix it. That sounded weird. Wait. Yeah. We're going to do a glitter mixing. The gold might not match, but I don't care.
No one does. Unless you guys want to do mixing actually, but
I don't care. I don't care what you think. Just kidding. I do care what you guys think. I care what you guys think a lot. Okay.
glitter.
This looks so pretty right now.
I guess the gold does match up. You just ruined it.
I know. I'm the worst. That's what it looks like. Screenshot. Hashtag screenshots. Okay, Emily. Now let's mix it in.
It's like I'm like really dark right now, so like shadowy.
We need some more better lighting.
I mean, this doesn't help us still.
There. Are you gonna turn your phone on as a flashlight? Now it looks like we're in the dark.
You can't really see me.
I need
but
some
still.
activator. Okay, there's some lighting. It's really bad lighting right now. We're in really bad lighting right now.
Yeah,
Let's
sorry.
not-
It's like it's a phone, but
Let's not do that because that gives off really bad lighting.
yeah, I'm just gonna turn this off. Here's a mixing tool. I think that's too big.
Yeah, we should probably move that. Mixing. Okay, do you want to mix in the activator now?
Yeah. Mixy. That's dabbing's overrated. That was like totally 2016. No,
I'm getting triggered.
Yeah.
No, but literally everyone still dabs.
it's like weird.
I like dabbing.
If you guys are
Dabbing's
dabbing,
awesome, Emily.
if you guys are dabbing people, but like no offense, but My brother dabs so much. It's like
How old is your brother?
6.
Oh.
He also flosses.
He flosses?
Mm-hmm.
Is he good at it?
No. Do you want to see how he flosses?
Don't you have a video?
Yeah.
Okay, pull that up while I activate the
Yeah,
slime.
but it's on Snapchat.
Oh, we'll go on Snapchat and look it up.
Finger.
She's gonna look for the video while I mix it. Mixy.
Someone
Oh
added.
no, some fell out. We
Good job.
we need to finish activating this. Do do do. Do do do. Do 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 do.
I'm looking for it. Okay. There it is.
What the heck? What was that?
Him flossing.
That's her brother flossing.
And he's only like 6.
Okay, I mean, he gets an excuse because he's 6, but still. If you're 6 and you don't know how to do it, just don't do it at all. If you don't know how to floss, just don't floss at all. Because otherwise people are probably going to laugh at you and be like...
Like LL at her laughing at my brother.
Yeah. Yeah.
No one's there.
Hello. Hello, darkness. Nothing.
Can I put that off? I don't think it's activated yet.
It's definitely not activated.
It sticks to her. I'm petting the dog.
I wonder what the dog's gonna say.
You know, I wonder what it would be like if we could understand animals.
I know, that's what the superpower that I really want, is to understand animals. And then my second superpower would be to be invisible. So then I could sneak up on people.
Yeah, that's actually that's actually mine. That's what I
Would you want to
do.
read people's minds?
Yeah.
I would not.
Why?
Because I don't want to invade people's personal business.
Oh yeah, that's true. I can turn it
Because
on
imagine
and
if someone would
Oh,
just...
really?
No, imagine if someone read your mind at all times. Like, would you like that?
No, but only I won't like do it unless like.
No, I wouldn't want that at all because I don't want to be rude to people. Get into their business. Squirt, squirt. Okay, comment down below, guys, if you like my editing now because I know how to act.
Trying to read your mind.
I know how to actually edit. So, yeah.
I think it's not activated yet.
Yeah, it's kind of activated yet.
It's kind of activated.
That's what I said.
So what do I do? I have no idea. Should I stop
Should you stop what?
petting the dog?
If you... Oh, I didn't even realize you were... Meow, 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 meow.
Does this look like a cat to you?
What?
This dog?
No, sometimes I just like meowing. And
You're not a kid. You're an adult.
Warning to headphone users, that might be loud.
I think you should have done that beforehand.
Yeah, I probably should have. I'm going to try and give you guys as much warnings as possible.
Burp.
This is... Ugh.
It wasn't that loud. Jeez, calm down.
Yes, it was. Excuse me. Excuse you.
Excuse me.
Excuse you.
Excuse me.
Meow, 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 meow. Okay, so by the way, I'm just gonna explain the directions. So what we did was we poured some clear glue in. We put some hair gel, but you can also replace the hair gel with water, and you can replace the water with hair gel. Water, because I forgot to add the water, and plus I just didn't want to. And then we add as much glitter as you want. Like if you want to make it a super glittery slime. Wait. This is what it would look like. If you want to make it a kind of glittery slime, this is what it would look like.
So this? Any colors if you would like.
Yep.
You do not have to use these colors though.
No, you don't have to use those colors. You can use any colors your heart desires. Or your brain
Black.
desires. Excuse me. Want to see something?
No.
Look it. So,
I said I don't want to see it.
no, but if we hug, a heart's going to come up on our head. Like, a heart, a heart, a heart. Ta-da! Some hearts. Oh! They're still on our heads. Look it. See it? They're still on our heads. Okay, they're gone now. They're gone. Okay, guys. Well, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And please comment down below if you like my editing or if you think it's bad or good. Please tap and pet that like button. And please tap and pet that notification bell.
I'm petting the like button.
Okay. And the subscribe button. If you don't understand, well then maybe you should go watch my videos because there's one video that explains it. Anyways, thank you guys. Bye. You can do the high five.